Wearing this blue set. Oh, we're going to show you our outfits. Yeah. Good morning.
Hey, what's up, guys?
It's Boxing Day, and we've got a ice cream factory today. We're so excited, aren't you?
It's going to be such a great time with great people, great weather we're having here as well.
Yeah. So we've got ice cream today. A lot of drum and bass people. I'm so excited, and then we're going to the after party.
Yes, we are.
And Delta Heavy's going to be at the after party as well, which is so exciting. So we're excited. This vlog is going to be Boxing Day and Radar. I've got a festival on Sunday as well.
Oh, yes.
So I'm excited.
Which I'm not going to.
We're on our way to
my house.
Liam's house. He's going to get ready. Then we're going back to mine. I'm going to get ready. And then we've got pre's at like 12, but we're going to go at 1.
Yeah.
And we'll probably leave the pre's at like 5:30.
Yeah.
Liam's gone home and got ready. He's got his outfit on. We are just at Hungry Jack's because we're getting some brekkie. We're gonna get Zam's, but it looks closed. I was gonna get Subway, it's closed. So we're ordering Hungry Jack's and then going home and I'm getting ready. That's the plan. What are you gonna get from Hungry Jack's?
I'm gonna get a burger.
A burger?
Yeah.
Yeah. We also went to IGA and Liam got a massive bottle of Coke as
And
well.
I might wear these socks.
Yeah. You wanna show them?
Maddie doesn't like them.
No, I do.
The dress is yet to come.
Show them, they couldn't see. He got these socks from his grandparents, right?
Yeah, Nan and Granddad or something.
The breast is yet to come. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a burger too.
Yeah.
But like a brekkie one. Alright, everyone, I have just done my makeup and put my outfit on. I'm just straightening my hair.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with my hair today, but I have decided to keep it straight.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go to Pre's in like, what's the time, Liam?
12:30.
So we're gonna go to Pre's in like half an hour. So I'm just straightening the hair. So that will be all nice and straight. And then I'm gonna go to Pre's and we're there till around 5ish, I think 5:30. Mine and Liam's outfits. I'm wearing this dress that I actually wore listing out like 3 years ago. You're gonna come and show your outfit?
Yeah.
You're not bringing that? Okay, let's just go.
Short shirt, shoes, watch, hat, PlayStation 5 controller.
Ciao. I'm in Indy, we're at Pre's. She's doing her makeup. These are our outfits. Yay. Indy's doing her makeup. All the boys are out there DJing. I'll take you round after. Almost done. Sorry everyone, I'm a bit late. No, don't say sorry. Don't apologise. It's all good. No, but we're at Pre's now. Show me outfits.
Hey guys, usually my hair's out and it's straightened. I've got the fake clover.
It looks cute though, doesn't it?
Fake clover from Bali. Here is a IMG June.
Listen, show us your outfit.
Okay, we got Sheen,
Yeah.
more Sheen.
What does your top say?
I'm God's favourite ginger.
Yeah.
I got these from Sheen.
Yeah.
I got this from Sheen.
Yeah.
I got these from City Beach.
Yeah.
These from Foot Locker.
Yeah.
And I got these from City Beach.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And that's it.
Wow. Round of applause for Jensen, everyone. Yay!
Guys, my name's Indy, welcome back to my channel. This is my house and today we're going for a rave.
3, 2, 1.
Where's it from?
Yep, Dark Sport. Universal, Nike socks, Nike shoes.
do a little twirl.
Nice.
Okay.
We're going to radar. Sorry. We're making breakfast.
I've just cracked the yolk, so we're just gonna have to get another one.
Okay, she should let me do it.
Can you actually do it?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna do it again and it will send me into a
Yeah,
spiral.
do you want runny eggs? We've made breakfast.
I'm gonna bring these out the
Breakfast.
bag. Yeah.
Huh?
Salt,
Yeah.
pepper, and
Wow.
You can have the tomato sauce.
We're just waiting for the hash brown gems, but this is mine.
ready.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god.
Here we are. Oh, they're crispy. They're literally so
Like a
crispy.
separate bowl or something.
Bowl?
Don't know. Just scoop them
No,
on our
no,
plates.
just put them on your plates.
More
on your
more
plates,
dishes.
please. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm touching it with my hands. Ah, hot.
Just a couple. I don't need that many.
Hey team. Hey guys, we're getting ready. Me and Libs are getting ready in the bathroom, and then Paige and Roxy are getting ready in the room. You might be able to actually hear them because they're yelling at each other. You can literally hear them from down the hallway. We're getting ready now. What time is it? It's 9:52. We're gonna be at Pre's for 12. So we're on track. Are you on track? I think so. I always like my hair slicked better now lately. I'm on powder.
Just gonna guys put you guys onto this made by
Oh
natural
yeah,
curd
insane.
cakes.
Did Paige get you that?
She did. Try that out, Paige.
We're ready.
I'm ready.
Whoa, they're really flicky, aren't they?
Just me and my flicky brush.
Oh.
Hey guys, what's going on? All the lighting shit.
We've oh, my hands in front of the camera. We've actually
Actually not YouTubers.
we've taken the camera.
It's our first
Actually,
time.
she just left it in the bathroom when I was cleaning up. So yeah, pretty
That's what you
much.
get. Flicky pony.
This is what we're doing. This is what we're wearing. It's so cute. I love it.
It's giving like, I don't want to say the wrong year. I'm gonna get like.
Oh yeah,
cancelled in
they'll
the
be like,
comments.
what the hell?
It's giving like 80s. I don't know.
No idea. It wasn't a lie.
Hey guys, we're ready now.
Hey guys,
We're
we haven't
gonna-
seen you yet.
Oh yeah. Me and Libs have spoke to them in the
Oh.
bathroom.
Oh what?
So jealous.
Long time no see.
Hey guys.
But we're gonna show you our outfits.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm wearing this blue set that I wore like 3 years ago.
I'm wearing these shorts that I wore just not long ago. Did you vlog at that festival?
Yeah.
Did you also?
Yeah, it's editing right now.
Still waiting for that vlog
It's like
actually.
3 months later.
So peppermint shorts, white fox top that I've worn 100,000 times, and this bag and these shoes.
Libs' shorts from
Motel Rocks.
Motel Rocks. This is Cotton On. Backless moment. This is Uniqlo. Sambas. Where are my sunnies? In my bag.
Doing great.
Do that like Sam.
Pretty sure these are
The
White
cheering
Fox.
one?
This is White Fox. That's actually crazy. Obviously,
That's actually crazy.
obviously trauma. Got mines. Cotton on. That's what I'm saying, boys. Now let's fucking guys. Do you like my sunnies? Let me know. Alright, girls. Here's to love.